Look at this. Dahon po siya ng talbos ng kamote and pinrito namin. And let's try kung gaano siya ka-crispy. Look at this. Ganun siya ka-crispy, guys.
Dua-dua sila.
Nahulog. Grabe, ang crispy niya, oh. Look at this. First, last to the last or third to the last bite. Ganon siya crispy. Talbos ng katabol pala. Talbos ng kamote ng buto, guys. Tapos napaka-crispy, ah. Diba? Comment down below if you wanted to watch this.